In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a paper jam on your Canon Pixma TS3750 printer. If you guys find this video helpful, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. So guys, I'm just going to walk you through it really quick. And unfortunately, the only way to fix a paper jam is to actually just remove the paper yourself. There's no kind of function on the printer that will help you do it. So you need to go inside the printer and take out all of the paper yourself. And unfortunately, guys, Canon don't really make this very easy on the Pixma. I'm going to show you the kind of easy way to do it, and then I'm going to explain the more difficult way. So guys, first things first, the easy way to do it, okay, is just to go through the paper flow process yourself in the ways that Canon kind of allow. And the first thing you need to do, guys, is to make sure to unplug your printer. Make sure there's no electricity running through it, otherwise you could seriously hurt yourself. So guys, just unplug your printer like I'm doing now. Okay, once you've unplugged it, guys, you should be okay to go. Maybe leave it for a minute or so. But the first thing you need to do, guys, is to look through the paper flow process. And it starts up here with the rear paper feeder. So have a look inside here, guys. If you can see any paper here, just kind of maybe don't put your hand in. If you have chopsticks, guys, I definitely recommend using those. But I guess there's no power, so you can just kind of get in, take the paper out as much as you can, okay? So the next thing we're going to do, guys, is to turn it back around. And we're going to access the front inside of our printer. Now to do that, we want to take up this flap here, push it down and open up the printer so we can see the inside. Now this is the rest of the paper flow. If we open up the paper feeder, we'll be able to see that this is actually just the back of the printer out of the back. This goes all the way through. So guys, if there's any paper stuck inside here, make sure just to take it out. Use your hands or some chopsticks. I would recommend using some chopsticks or like some tweezers or something, just so you don't damage your printer or yourself, right? So do this, guys, and then take out any paper you can find. But that is unfortunately the only easy access we have into the Canon Pixma. Now, if you really want to get like deep inside your printer and you're struggling to get all of the stuff out, there is a way to do it, and it's kind of difficult. If you're not familiar with kind of going into devices, unscrewing stuff, reconnecting cables, reconnecting circuits, then I would honestly recommend taking your printer to the shop, because that is what you have to do. I will link a video down below where someone shows you exactly how to do it, but you basically have to take this part off, unscrew a bunch of things in the printer, disconnect some circuits so you can get into the printer. It's a really laborious process, to be honest, but if you're up to it, guys, then why not? But that is it for today, guys. That's all I can show you. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you did find this video helpful, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would really help us out. If you guys are in the need for any paper supplies or printer supplies, check out our link in the description, guys, for our sponsor. They are a global printer supply store. They do really good deals on everything, and we get all of our stuff from them. So if you go to them, guys, that would really be helping us out, and you'd be helping out a small business. So why not? But thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.